Welcome to Backroads DIY. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's going to be a review of my new pool chlorine or bromine dispenser here. I picked this up off Amazon for, I think it was $18. Normally $20. It was on sale. I think 10% off or so. I've had one in here for the last 3 years. It was just a very basic chlorine float. Just had the little adjustment on the bottom. But I'll show you some cool things I like about this one and why I chose to go with this one for only a few dollars extra. So this is made by Swimline. It's I think their Hydro Tools line. Like I said, I purchased this off Amazon. They didn't send it to me. But first feature is going to be a thermometer built on the side. So mine's reading 90 degrees, a little bit over 90 actually, is what my wireless pool hacker thermometer says. But we've had weather in the hundreds here the last few days, so the pool feels like a tub right now. Second feature, if I spin it around here, is going to be a sight glass. So you can pick this up, take a look at it, see how well your tabs are dissolving. And then on the bottom, I have mine set pretty low, but just your standard kind of twist knob to set how much chlorine is dispensing in the pool at a time. My favorite part is up here on top. So I don't have any, it's floating pretty high right now because I don't have any tabs in it. But this little yellow thing comes up, and when you fill it, I'll show you here in a few minutes, but when you fill it up, this actually will rest on top of your tabs, and as they dissolve will go down, so it just gives you a very nice visual indicator of how many tabs you still have in there. And then also, if I take this out, these can be used as tongs to grab your chlorine tabs. You don't have to grab them with your hand. You can just grab it, take the lid off, and drop them in. So I'm going to set this here. I'm going to grab my chlorine tabs. This will hold, I believe it'll hold 4 of the 3-inch tabs. I usually only put 3 in, but let me grab those. I'll put them in here and we'll check back. All right, we're back. I got my chlorine tabs in here. I actually have 3 of the 3-inch, and there's a lot of room to spare. I think it will actually hold 4, maybe 5. If I look at my sight glass, it gives me just a kind of good visual indicator here of my chlorine tabs. And let me grab the lid here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. But if I put this in there, you see now that the little indicator has now popped up. So if I spin this around here and grab it. So this is nice just to be able to look out the window and get a very easy indicator of how many tabs I still have in the dispenser. And actually, I just now noticed that there are numbers on this as well. I suppose to be able to tell me how many tabs I still have in there. So if I pull this up, actually it does go to 5. So this will hold 5 3-inch tabs. So been a nice cheap product, but well made. It's worked well. Like I said, it's just a little peace of mind being able just to glance out and see how much chlorine I have. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe.